Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Mail app is not working properly on your Windows 10 device. So we're going to be resetting the app for the purpose of this tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the Start menu, and you want to type in Apps and Features. Best Match should come back with Apps and Features right above System Settings. Just want to left click on that one time. Should launch the settings window here you see before us. So you might have to give it a moment to load the screen, so just be patient. So now you want to go down to get to Mail and Calendar right here. Left click on it one time, and now you want to left click on Advanced Options. Scroll down. Underneath Reset, if this app isn't working right, reset it. This app will be reinstalled and revert to its default settings. Your documents will not be affected. Left click on the reset button here to reset the process. This will permanently delete the apps that on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Left click on Reset. This shouldn't actually delete any mail. This is just purely resetting your Mail and Calendar app. So you see we have a little check mark here, so we should be good to go. So at this point, go ahead and try and reopen your Mail and Calendar app, and hopefully the issue has been resolved. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.